Okay, a couple weeks ago or before in the past, you guys remember Todd Duel? He was on with us a few weeks back, and he came in and did a show and talked about how, it was all about the accounting. And I did a video, I put it out there publicly, and he basically says that it's all about the accounting inside the courtroom and how he was wanting the court to provide accounting on all the activity and all the basically the financials that had been going on inside the courtroom, and basically making it a tax issue. And so uh, this video here is going to show. Well, I'll play the video, and I'll open it up for a couple comments. So let's see.
Case number 4, Chandler Brook.
Good morning, Brian. I'm here, that's honored for the record. I'm here specially appearing and not generally appearing. I'm just here for the accounting, the GAAP accounting, gas accounting, the bid, performance, and payment bond.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mr. Duel, I'm appearing especially on behalf of Mr. Chandler. I work with the IRS Criminal Investigation Division as a special auditor.
Are you a licensed attorney?
I'm not a licensed attorney. I work with the IRS Criminal Investigation Division. I'm here auditing the court and auditing the prosecutor's office. I'd like to submit the audit to the prosecutor if it could, please.
Well, this is for arraignment.
Correct, Your Honor. I understand that you have a criminal complaint filed against you in the U.S. tax court by Mr. Brooks, Chandler, and you're under audit.
Well, I'm going to address that if I can. Okay, so we also have case number 1 on the move on calendar. So because I have a matter in federal court with Mr. Chandler, I'm going to recuse myself from both cases. We'll continue the matter.
No, we're not going to continue this. We're going to settle this matter today. Yeah, we're just going to discharge the debt, set off the private, and bring all accounts to zero. That's exactly what's going to happen today. Okay?
I believe you did put a motion order into the court for this process to be done under equitable subrogation, which is why this is going to be a tax court. You can't do the calendar today.
So for case number 4 on the TC calendar, continue for further arraignment date Tuesday, December 23rd.
There's no continue. We'll see you in U.S. tax court.
We will see you in U.S. tax court and charge criminal. You'll be going to prison.
What district court?
Here's your audit.
I'm sorry, Judge, we didn't recuse this information.
Here's your audit. Thank you.
Yeah, next week.
So the judge continued the matter. He didn't. He recused himself because he was being sued in a federal court case, in another court case, and therefore there was a conflict of interest. So he recused himself from the case, and then he continued the matter over the non-objection by the parties. So those objections that were made about auditing and all that were moot, completely moot, just according to that recording there. Now, I want to make sure, because watching the video, the person who made the video was excited to think that this is great, this is a big win. That's just a procedural matter. All that happened was the judge recused himself because he was being sued in a federal case and continued the matter. Anything about audit, you're going to do that right now, Your Honor, that's all just moot. It's irrelevant and nonsense. So, and I'm boldly saying that. Sorry, Todd, that's just how that went. None of that applied. I'm all about rooting him on, and I want to see it work. I hope it works. But that was not a win because of anything with auditing or anything like that. And that's just you're just watching that right there. Had nothing to do with that. That's just a standard matter. The judge recused and continued. And when he says you're not continuing the case, he still continued the matter and recused himself. So, and the recusal had nothing to do with the IRS criminal stuff. It's because there was a federal case. A federal case, if you're suing the judge, that's a conflict of interest. The judge is supposed to recuse himself. So that's ultimately what happened.